Are you tired of depending on pills for every ache, fatigue, or seasonal cold? What if you could stay vibrant, energized, and illness-free without a single prescription? Today, we're diving into 10 powerful, holistic ways to stay healthy without medicine. Backed by science, embraced by wellness experts, and doable right from your home. This could be the natural reset your body's been waiting for. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could change your daily life. Before anything else in the morning, drink water. Your body loses hydration overnight, and replenishing it helps flush toxins, kickstart metabolism, and boost brain function. Droplet add lemon for vitamin C and digestion support, or apple cider vinegar for gut health. Backhand index pointing right according to the CDC, 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated, which leads to fatigue, headaches, and sluggish metabolism. Tip: try warm lemon water first thing in the morning for a gentle detox effect. One of the simplest yet most overlooked paths to healing is deep breathing. Mindful breathing reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, improves sleep, and enhances immune response. Just 10 minutes a day can significantly reduce anxiety and inflammation. Man in lotus position, you don't need a meditation room. Just sit quietly, inhale deeply, and focus on your breath. Statistic: Harvard Medical School notes that mindfulness practices can lower stress by up to 40%, which directly benefits immunity and heart health. Skip the pills. Your plate can be your best medicine. Focus on foods rich in fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. Leafy greens, berries, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and omega-3s from flax seeds or fatty fish. Crossmark avoid ultra-processed foods that cause inflammation, which is linked to everything from fatigue to heart disease. Tip: use the 80-20 rule. Eat clean 80% of the time and enjoy guilt-free treats the other 20%. Your body needs sunlight to produce vitamin D, which regulates immunity, mood, and bone health. Sun with face, just 15 to 20 minutes of morning sun, can reduce your risk of depression and help regulate sleep cycles. Stat: according to the NIH, about 42% of Americans are vitamin D deficient, especially in colder states. Tip: if sunlight is available, consider a 10-minute outdoor walk or a UVB light lamp in winter months. You don't need a gym membership. Just move. Daily movement, be it walking, dancing, stretching, or yoga, improves circulation, supports lymphatic detox, and strengthens your immune system. Brain exercise also boosts endorphins, improving mood and sleep. Fact: the American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week to maintain good health. Your body heals when you sleep. And without quality sleep, your immune system, brain, and hormones suffer. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep, restful sleep each night. Create a calming bedtime routine, herbal tea, screen-free time, and dim lights. Stat: the CDC reports that 1 in 3 adults in the U.S. don't get enough sleep, leading to increased risk of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Tip: try magnesium-rich foods like bananas, almonds, or dark chocolate in the evening for better rest. Nature offers powerful immunity tools. No pharmacy needed. Incorporate immune-boosting herbs and superfoods like echinacea, elderberry, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and green tea. Teacup without handle these can reduce inflammation, fight bacteria and viruses, and support the body's natural defense systems. Fun fact: studies show garlic supplements can reduce the frequency of colds by 63%. Tip: brew a ginger lemon honey tea during flu season for daily protection. Holistic health isn't just about what goes in your body. It's about what surrounds it. Many household products, cosmetics, and even tap water contain endocrine disruptors and harmful chemicals. Tip: switch to natural cleaning products, BPA-free containers, and invest in a water filter. Your liver, hormones, and skin will thank you. Fact: the Environmental Working Group, EWG, lists over 1,400 potentially harmful ingredients found in personal care products commonly used in the U.S. Your emotional health is deeply connected to your physical well-being. Positive relationships can reduce stress, support better habits, and even extend your lifespan. In fact, loneliness is now considered a greater health risk than smoking. Tip: schedule time each week to connect with a friend, laugh, share, and be present. Stat: A Harvard study spanning 80-plus years found that strong relationships are the #1 predictor of happiness and health. What if one of the best wellness tools is simply feeling thankful? Gratitude reduces stress, improves sleep, boosts immunity, and even lowers blood pressure. Sparkles keep a gratitude journal, or just take 2 minutes daily to list what you're thankful for. Your brain rewires for positivity, and your body follows. Bonus tip: smile more. It triggers serotonin release, making you feel better instantly. You don't need a cabinet full of pills to live a vibrant, energized life. Nature has already provided the tools. You just need to use them. Which of these holistic tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Give a thumbs up. Bell, don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness insights every week. Orange Heart, stay healthy, stay grounded, and remember, your body was designed to heal naturally.